England inethemba lokubuyisa izinduku emdlalweni weTest wesibili neProteas oqala ngolwesihlanu eNewlands eKapa. Njengamanje amangisi alandela ngemumva ngo-One Nil. Proteas ahambela phezulu kulandela ukunqoba iTest yokuqala eCenturion.
Lo mjikelezo weNgilandi wemidlalo ewuchungechunge yamaTest usachazwa njengoyisiqalekiso kuleli qembu. Ngale nje kokushaya kuTest yokuqala selokhu ithelekile kulelizwe bayishumi nomuvu abadlali kanye namalungu ayisithupha ithimba lesisebenzi eqenjini asebeke banikwa ikhefu ngenxa ukungaphatheki empilweni. Umbuzo uthi iNgilandi ingenze njani ukubuyisa izinduku?
I think those key moments, I think if you look at the last test of having South Africa 111 for 5 and we were 140 for 3 in our first innings, and South Africa end up with a 100-run lead after the first innings. So I think that's a big area of the game where we lost the match.
Ispin bowler eyinxele uMaharaj wawisa ama-wicket amqoka eqenjini leNgilandi nge-inning yesibili okubalwa ke nokuthatha kaBen Stokes. Uthi ke liyakhula izinga lokuzethemba kubadlali eqenjini kanti nabadlali bamagange bazimisela ukuyibamba enkundleni ebalwa nezisemgangathweni ophezulu emhlabeni.
Newlands test is always something special to the boys because it's quite festive and the crowd's generally behind the boys here throughout the 5 days, and yeah, I'm just looking forward to hopefully cracking the nod and sort of displaying some good skills out there.
U-Archer akazange abhole ekhathi bezilonga namhlanje ngenxa izinhlungu endololwaneni yesokudla. Uma ke ngase kwenzeka ngalulama ukudlala kolandelayo, iNgilandi yobigqemeke udume lwengozi. Ithimba lamaProteas liqoka abadlali livale isikhala ngebatsman yamaCobras uMalan esidalwe ukulimala kaMakram. Kulindeleke ukuthi ke azibule lo mdlali. Ngakolunye uhlangothi uThemba bavuma umelo ukuyohlonzwa ukulungela ukungena ensimini. Lokhu ke kungaba buhlungu Rasi van Dassen osebenze ngokuzikhandla osengcupheni ukulahlekelwa indawo yakhe.